Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In today's video, we'll look at how we can transfer or how we can copy files from ParrotOS device to a Windows PC device. So I'm logged into ParrotOS and I'm on the terminal. The first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that SSH is installed and it's enabled and running. So let's do systemctl status SSH, and as we can see here, it's inactive, so we need to start it. The command to do so is going to be systemctl start SSH. We'll need our password, and then we'll repeat the command. You can repeat systemctl status SSH, and now we see it's active and it's running. The other thing we need from this computer is the IP address. We'll need this IP address to input on the SSH client. Now we can do the transfer using secure FTP, or we can use SCP protocol. And we'll need a client called WinSCP installed on the Windows PC, and then we'll do the connection between the two devices. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to the Windows PC and install WinSCP client. Now on the Windows PC, I'll open a browser and I'm going to search for WinSCP download. I'll go to the site, winscp.net, and then I'll scroll down and I'll click on this to download WinSCP. So it's downloading and it's done. So I can close this. I'll open the File Explorer, and then under Downloads, you should see the file here. To install it, just double click on it. Install for all users, click yes. I'll accept. I'll do the typical installation that's recommended. Next. Next. Install. And it's done. I'll click finish. And now what I'll do is I'll just minimize this. I'll open that client. And as you can see, we have a window here. Then there's a login window, which requires the host name or the IP address of the remote device, which is the ParrotOS device. What we can do is we can go back and verify we have the IP 172.16.1.108. So that's what we need on the client here. So we need 172.16.1.108. The port number is 22 for SSH. The protocol, you can go with the secure FTP or you can use SCP. We'll go with the default here. Then you need to put in your username for the ParrotOS device and the password. So you can do the secure connection. Click on login, and you can also save the connection. I'll click on login here. I'll click accept. And now you see we have a window with split into two windows. Now this is going to be showing us the folders on the Windows PC, as well as the directories on the ParrotOS device. So if I change it here, I can change the directories and I can see what files are in there. Now when it comes to moving or transferring files between the two devices, all you have to do is select a file and then you can drag and drop it to the other device. So for instance, if I wanted to transfer this file, I'll select it, I'll hold it, and then I'll drag and drop it. Whatever file I'm looking to transfer, I'll select it, I'll drag and drop it, and it should be transferred to that device. I could go to this device here. Let's do CD to desktop. Or we can just do ls desktop. And this is the file I just transferred from the Windows PC. So that's all for this video. That's how you can transfer files securely from a ParrotOS to a Windows PC device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.